Sayantani and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I'm going to do a Club Factory haul, and I know you guys just love haul videos, and I know you guys especially love Club Factory hauls. So today I'm going to do a Club Factory haul on my channel, and guys, I had done a Club Factory haul previously on my channel as well. So if you guys want to know more about Club Factory and if you want to get more information, you can go and check out that video. I will provide you guys with the link somewhere up there or up there, like, wait, I'm confused. Okay, somewhere up there. So in today's video, I'm basically going to show you a few stuffs that I have ordered from Club Factory. And guys, as you all know that on Club Factory, we actually get products at a factory rate. So here are my products. They came in this bag right here. On the other side, I have my address, which I'm going to cover. So this is the bag that it came in. So guys, now let's not talk any further and let's quickly begin with the haul. So the first piece of jewelry that I got for myself is this right here, which is a pearl necklace, and the name of this is double layered simulated pearl sweater chain, and this one I got for rupees 149. Right now the price of this is rupees 195. so the prices at Club Factory kind of keeps fluctuating. So guys, grab things when there's a flash sale, or you can just grab things when there's some kind of sale or something going on. So here is how it looks, guys. So basically, as you can see, it has 2 layers of chain in it, and then there are these pearls which are hanging from it. So there is basically one big pearl and then there's a smaller one. So that is how this necklace basically looks, and guys, trust me, it just looks gorgeous, and I'm sure this is going to amp up any of your outfit no matter what you're wearing. So you can see that how it has instantly just changed the way my outfit looks. Next, I ordered this pair of earring. Now this one is known by the name of round hollow drop earring, and this one is priced at rupees 85. So guys, this one in person looks really nice, and you know, it's like really huge and chunky and looks very gorgeous. But let me tell you something very honestly, like the quality doesn't feel that great. Like this is very lightweight and kind of feels a little cheap. So you can see how it looks on me. As you can see, it looks really nice, guys, but I'm a bit skeptical about the longevity of the color. Next, I've ordered this vintage crystal ethnic gothic boho. Oh my god, like I'm really running out of breath. Like, it's a set of rings, so it's basically called the knuckle rings. So you know, those rings which you can wear just the normal place where you wear, and then you can also wear them over here on your knuckles. Guys, this is how it basically looked on the picture. So you can see it looked really nice, and that is the main reason why I had ordered it. So this one I had ordered for rupees 125. These are not adjustable rings. So after I ordered them, I basically noticed that these are too huge for me. So you can see it just slips out of my finger just like that. But the quality of this is great and it looks very great. So, but it didn't really fit me, and that's like really sad, but I can't really help it. Maybe I'll give it to any of my friend, you know, who can actually wear it. The next thing that I had ordered is also another pair of earring, and this one again has a really long name. So in short, this is basically a tassel drop earring, and this one, guys, is filled with rhinestone and gemstones. Just look at it. Wow, this looks beautiful. What do you guys think? I think this looks amazing. So the quality of this is very good. The rhinestones are superb. They are very shiny. Like, it's very shiny, as you can see. It looks really nice. The design is beautiful, and I can't really wait to try it on. So guys, this is how it looks on me, and I'm just spellbound. This is really pretty, and the quality is so good, guys. It really looks like a very expensive pair of earring. So this one basically, guys, I got at rupees 226 only. The next thing that I've ordered is this right here. This is actually a complete hair tool set. So it basically has a lot of different things in it. Now the name on Club Factory is very weird. It says makeup sponge hair tool. Now I don't really understand, like, I don't understand the name makeup sponge hair tool. Like, that's really confusing. But anyway, so it basically has 11 different tools in it, and the price of this is rupees 358. So guys, let me show you all the products one by one. The first thing inside it is a pair of bump heads. So it's basically a pair of these two little sponges. So these you actually apply on your hair to make a puff or a poof, whatever you like to call. So the quality of this is, guys, quite good. I won't say the quality is bad, and the sponge is really soft, and I'm sure if you have black hair then it won't be visible. The next thing that I can see inside it is a pair of donut, and oh, there are actually 3 donuts inside it. And guys, I'm really sorry for this noise. I know a lot of you get annoyed with the plastic noise. I'm really sorry for that. So it basically has 2 similar sized donuts, like the size kind of looks similar. So these are the 2 donuts, and then there is a medium sized donut in it. Now I personally use donuts which are larger than this. Like this one is really small for me. Maybe you can use them to make 2 buns, or you can just stack them one upon another to make a larger bun. So there are the 3 donuts. Next I received these spiral pins. Now I don't really know the use of it, but I've checked online. So this is again used to secure your hair at its position. So this one, I don't know how much I'm going to use. Maybe I'll just give this one a try and I'll just see whether it works or not. So I have to actually try this out. And I have this packet where there are a few hair ties and a few U-pins, and this one's going to be so helpful for me, guys. I always run out of hair ties, so I'm sure this is going to be really helpful. So I'm definitely going to need this. Next I received these 2 things. Now I don't really know the name of these, but I know that these are used for making buns. So if you guys know the names of these, then do let me know down in the comment section. So I've received one in this larger size, and then there's this one in a smaller size. So I'm sure that I'm definitely going to use this for making buns. Lastly, I've received these 2 things. So this one I know is used for doing different hairstyles, like you can make the fish tail hairstyle and many other. So this one you can use for that, and this one I don't know what it is used for, but at the back of it I can see that this is also used for making buns, and then you can actually use this for several other hairstyles as well. Next I've ordered this cell phone rack, and guys, this you can use for charging your phone. So basically you can just plug your charger from here, so you can just place it against the socket like this, and then just put your charger from here, and then you can just keep your phone over here. Now this one is going to be really helpful for travel purpose, because when you are traveling, generally you will find sockets, but then you don't get a place to keep your phones. So this is going to be so helpful. So I'm going to show you the image of it, how it looks. So this is how it basically looks. And the last thing that I've ordered from Club Factory is this bag right here. Now this one is a retro zipper shoulder bag, and this one I got at rupees 350, but right now it's available at rupees 343 on Club Factory. So guys, this one has a long chain right here, like a long golden chain, and this one is actually a sling bag, and the quality of the bag is quite good, guys. I don't know if it's like artificial leather, but whatever it is, it feels really good, and also it's quite spacious. The lock is good, and this is how the inside of it looks, and everything about it is quite good, guys. So overall, I'm really happy with this purchase as well. So guys, with that my haul comes to an end. Now if you ask me which were my favorite things amongst all of these things that I had bought, then I have to say that my favorite thing was this pair of earring. This is just beautiful, guys. Like, this is gorgeous, and I've also loved the bag and definitely the necklace as well. So these were definitely my favorite purchases. And now if you guys ask me about my overall views on these products, then one thing that I would like to say to you guys once again, I've said the same thing in my previous video, that guys, Club Factory does have a lot of good stuffs, but then there are a few stuffs which might not be your favorite. So make sure, guys, that you go through the reviews. It's very important that you read the reviews. Make sure that you check all the pictures, because people who are putting up the reviews, they also share the pictures. So make sure that you are reading the reviews, checking the number of stars on the products, and then also the pictures and the rating and everything. So make sure that you go through all that, and then only you order. So guys, with that my video comes to an end. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, also let me mention that I have mentioned all the details about Club Factory down in my description box, and I will also try to provide you guys with the link of the products I have shown in this video down in my description box. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.